Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're back with another unboxing video, and this time I have two boxes from a set that I've actually been looking forward to getting for quite some time. I've got two bubble eggs here today. I've got another Oipippi, which you guys know I love, and another Jova. So let's get into it. Before we get into any of these boxes, I realized last time that I didn't actually show the color change on this Cosmos art figurine. And it's been 2 videos since I've done that. I basically filmed most of these back to back, so I completely forgot. But I'm going to do that now because I'm also interested in seeing how it looks. So I've got some hot water in here, and just take off the stand. And let's see if it does anything. Oh, there we go. Immediate change. Let's see. Oh, there's words. Let's take a look. You might hear my son in the background there, sorry. Dry it off and take a look. It says lovable. So it does change, and I think the hotter it is, obviously the brighter this is going to get, but it changes back pretty darn quick. But there you go, guys. I finally did it. I'm sorry it took so long. Okay, so let's get on to the actual unboxing now. I'm going to start with the bubble eggs. So I have seen these already quite a while back, and at first I thought this was a really weird IP, but it's kind of really grown on me because it's a shaker, and I do like shakers. In honor of that, I have my cinnamon roll shake up there, and of course I have Oipippis and some Jova, and then just a random sweet bean up there, just to kind of finish out the shelf. Let's see. I will put the secrets up on the screen for you guys to see. I actually haven't seen them myself, so I'm only going to see them in editing. Which one of these would I like? I kind of like this one with the cat ears, but I'm not sure if that's supposed to be a panda. This one's really cute. That one's got to be the cat. I really want the cat one. The cookie one is really cute. Oh, these two are super cute. And that one too. Oh gosh, there's so many cute ones. I think that's it, right? Yeah. Okay. Well, any one of those and I'll be happy. So I've got 2 chances today. Let's hope for the best. Oh, there's a card sitting right on the top. Let's just slide that away. Silica bag. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it is one of the cat ones. Or is this a dog? Actually, I think this might be a dog. Just looking at the face. Very cute. I think this is a Daruma that it's holding. And it's a shaker. But the face looks more like a cat than a dog with those whiskers. I don't know. But look, it comes with these cute little beads inside. Oh, what is that? It looks like a little boat. That's cute. That's really random. Oh, and there's like coins in there too. I guess this one must be something to do with luck for finances. Let's move this out of the way. Let's look at the card. I'm gonna have to translate this if I can, because I have no idea what that says. But yeah, I guess this must be a dog. That looks like a dog, even though this one's face looks like a cat. If any of you guys know if you've gotten this one before, let me know in the comments. But yeah. Not at all bad. I'm really happy with this one. These are supposed to smell like, I guess, soap because they're called bubble eggs. So I'm going to sniff. It does. It's weird. It does smell like soap. That's so funny. Oh, but I really like these. I just hope my son loves shakers. And I just hope that the smell isn't going to put him off because he has sensitivities to certain sensory things. So we'll have to see. But anyway, really cute, really happy. Good start. Oh gosh, now my fingers smell like soap. It's weird. It's not a bad smell. It's kind of like talcum powder and like soap from the 90s, if you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, but let's see. What do I want to do next? Let's just do Oipippi because it's been a while. So I currently have those two up there, if my camera will focus. I really love the duck scooter one. I think of the two that I have, that's my favorite, but the other one is super cute too. So let's see. I think I've spoken about this before, that the imagery here doesn't really reflect how cute they are, because I mean, just look how cute she is over there. But I'll put up the secret again for this one, for those who are interested. But I have said every time that I've gotten this that I want any of the ones that have cats, like this one, that one. This one has a cat sleeping on her. Real love, I really want that one. Someone to rely on and hugging oneself. There's a cat under the blanket behind her, if you haven't seen this one. It's really cute. So, let's see. Oh, and the one I don't want, I don't want to jinx it, but this one, just because her ear is kind of flying in her face, and I don't like that. But I hope I didn't just jinx myself. No card on the top, good. Yep. Put that off to the side. Oh. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Did I get the one that I really wanted? Oh, yay. Oh, it's so cute. So precious. Oh, look at that. And this even looks like my old cat. He just recently passed away, and I had him for 13 years. He was my baby. So this looks just like him. Oh, this is so cute. I really love this IP. She's adorable. I love how glossy it is and that she has eye chips and just little face. It's like so cute, the little face of innocence. So cute. I really, really, really like the series. And I'm so happy I got the one I really wanted. Let's take a look at the card. Oh, there's still a silica bag in here. Let's just get that out of the way. Take out the card. Right. Real love. It's so cute. Oh, I'm so happy. This is one I really, really wanted, you guys. Oh. That reminds me of my old kitty Boo. He was such a good boy. Makes me happy. Now I can kind of have a representation of him up on my shelf. Yay! Oh, that just made my day. So happy. Okay, let's do the Jova. I'm gonna save the bubble egg for last. So let's see. I'm getting kind of nervous now because I've gotten the two that I wanted. So as you can see them up there on the shelf, I got the kitten and the tiger. I got that one as a free gift, and that's the one I opened last time. So of the ones that are left, I'll put up the secret. There are 2 secrets in this set. So that one, and from this side, I guess I'd like the bear. I just like the umbrella hat. The sheep's not bad either, I guess. I've already got these 2. I'll put this secret up as well. This is the bunny. Maybe the fox. The deer is also really cute. So I don't really dislike anything from the series. I'm kind of glad that I found this, even though it was kind of purely by accident when I got the kitten one for free as a gift. But it put me on a good path, so can't complain. Alright. Card is still in there. Silica bag, yes. Okay. One, 2, 3. Which one's this? I'm gonna have to see what the hat is because I don't remember off the bat. I think that's it, right? Yes. Okay, so here is the hat. Interesting. I don't recall this one off the bat. Is this a secret? No, I think this is the fox. Yes, I think this is the fox. I'm going to check the card in a second. Oh, she did come with an accessory. It just fell out and I didn't even notice. She comes with a little handbag. She's the first one that I've had that comes with an accessory. I don't think the other two did. No, they didn't. Just in case it fell out. I would be very, very, very depressed about that. But, okay, so here's her hat. So she's got the fox, but it's supposed to kind of, I guess, yeah, it's supposed to sit a bit back on her head like this. These are so cute, you guys. I love the little star detail in her eyes. It's so cute. And the head kind of turns a bit. These are very top heavy though, and they tend to tip, which is why I have those two leaning on something, because they tend to fall over very easy. Oh, look how cute. She's got a little foxtail. I really like this one. Yay! Guys, I got 3 of the ones that I really wanted from this set. How cute. Let's take out her bag accessory. Okay, so this goes in this hand. Oh, I don't want to break it. The little handle is so thin. How are you supposed to get it in there? Okay, finally got it in, but it doesn't really want to stay put. It's a bit of a pain in the butt, that one. I had to push really hard off camera to get it in there. And it's still kind of, it looks like it's threatening to drop. But look at that, it's so cute. It's like a little gremlin creature. So cute. I really do like the Jova series. Her hat just keeps wanting to come off. I think I need to push it a bit harder. There we go. There, now it's on. But like I said before, these don't stand very well on their own. They're kind of top heavy. So just keep that in mind. You might need glue dots because they don't come with a stand. But with that being said, I still really like the series. I usually say that these are like Bemo's girlfriend. So cute. Okay, let's check out her card before I forget entirely. Again. So here she is. She is the fox. Very cute. But anyway, so happy with this one. Yay! Okay, last but not least, my last bubble egg. So far I've had good luck because I've gotten one of the ones I really wanted, although kind of silly to say because I like all of them. But let's see if I can get the cat one, which I really want. The tiger one I really want. I really like the house one too. That's the one I just got. Yeah, well, let's see if I can get any of those. But honestly, I like them all. Gosh, this is so hard to open. I know that they have these areas that you can push in, but they never work for me, and I end up breaking a nail. Okay, good. This time the card isn't sitting on top. Let's take the silica bag out of the way. Let's hope the card isn't somewhere where it can come out with this package. Okay, good. Still in there, good. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh no! I got it! Wow! This has been a really good luck day for me today. Guys, I've gotten like everything that I wanted. This is so rare. It's never a clean sweep. This is great. Look at him holding a little house and then little balloons. It's so cute. And look, it's got like little clouds in here along with the beads. So very cute. Oh, yay. Oh, this is so cute. I'm so happy. I would still really like the cat one and the tiger one because, you know, me and cats. But this is so cute. I'll take a sniff of this one as well. Yeah, it's that soapy smell. It's really, it can get annoying and probably give you a headache if you are around it too long, but it doesn't like waft off of it unless you bring it close to your nose and sniff. So I have a feeling the longer it sits in the air, it's gonna start losing that smell. Which isn't, you know, it won't take away from it, but, you know, I guess it's kind of the point is that it's supposed to smell like soap bubbles. But yay, guys, that's so cute. Let's get the card. And again, I'm going to have to translate this one because I have no idea what that says. Super cute. Oh, I love these. These cards are so interesting too. It's quite a thick cardboard. Interesting. Oh, hooray! I'm so happy. Okay, let's do the final haul. So here is the haul, you guys. Wow, this has been such good luck today. I got the Oipippi that I really wanted. I got one of the ones from Jova that I really wanted as well, and 2 of the bubble eggs, my absolute favorite one, the little house one. And I got the doggy one. I would still really like to get the cat too, so I think I'm gonna have to try and get some more from the bubble egg series, but yeah, I'm so happy with all of these. Which one of these was your favorite? Have any of you guys collected any of these? Which ones did you get? Thank you so much to all my subscribers. I love the comments that you guys have been writing. You guys are so sweet. Thank you so much. And if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. It really helps. It can support me in doing more videos in future. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this one, and I hope to see you back again next week. Have a wonderful, wonderful week ahead, and I will see you guys again later. Bye!